And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 164. Let me show you the content aware move tool. First I press Ctrl J to copy this layer. And with the short key J, we are back to the toolbox where we can find the healing brush. There's also a content aware move tool. On top we've got the 4 modes for selections and then 2 modes for the specific tool. We'll set that to move for now. The structure is basically a tolerance. Let's go relatively high. And then we also have a tolerance for the color. So how much can this effect adjust the color or not? Now you make a selection. Let me also cover the shadow here. It's going to give me marching ants, and now I left click drag to reposition that. Maybe up to here. When you release it, you're going to get this transform bounding box. You can now press enter or just use this check icon to confirm. And now it's going to do its magic in the background. And there you go. So it moved it around, which basically got rid of it in the original position and then added it right here to the new one and tries to blend it with what's already there. Sometimes there's a hit or miss. For example, here the shadow, it missed it. So let me do that again. Let me show the second mode. It's called Extend and it's basically a copy mode. I'll just make a quick selection here. And if I drag this now to the left, confirm, this is not going to erase the original position. So it's going to give me a second umbrella. And here you can see another glitch that sometimes happens, so you have to be very careful and check the details, because the results aren't that reliable. But when you try long enough, it's going to give you good results at some point. Once again, J is the short key, and then you can find it in the toolbox that's highlighted. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.